Imagine the atom bomb, devastatingly powerful. It leaves an impact that echoes through time. Now, picture this power harnessed, turned into a tool to launch businesses into a new era of success. This is the kind of impact the right bot can have on your marketing strategy. Imagine a world where your marketing efforts are supercharged, where you can reach out to a broader audience, engage them, and convert them into loyal customers. This isn't a distant future. This is now. This is the world of bots. Enter Matt Lights, a visionary in the world of digital marketing who believes that bots are the future. He says, bots are not just an option anymore, they are a necessity. They can automate tasks, interact with customers, and generate leads like never before. They are the atom bomb of the marketing world. Bots are revolutionizing how businesses operate, how they connect with their customers, and how they market their products or services. They are the silent workers, tirelessly working behind the scenes, driving your business forward. Lights further adds, bots can work round the clock. They don't need breaks, they don't get tired, they can handle multiple customers at once. They are efficient, they are reliable, and they can be the game changer your business needs. The world is changing, and the ones who adapt are the ones who thrive. The question is, are you ready to adapt? Are you ready to harness the power of bots and supercharge your marketing? Introducing the ManyChat Bot Masterclass, a comprehensive course designed to give you the tools, the knowledge, and the confidence to implement bots in your marketing strategy. This isn't just a course. It's a ticket to a new world. A world where you can connect with your customers on a deeper level, where you can generate leads effortlessly, and where your business can grow exponentially. Don't wait. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Harness the power of bots. Supercharge your marketing. Register for the ManyChat Bot Masterclass today and take the first step towards a brighter, more successful future. This is your moment. Seize it.